Animating the position of the clip. So here I'm in my editing workspace. I'm going to come up here into my program monitor. I'm going to change this to like 25%. Now it's a little smaller here. And now I'm going to come down here and move my playhead, say up to the beginning of this clip. Now, what I'd like to do is I'm going to pick on this. I'll double click on this little clip here in the program monitor. You'll see it has these grip handles on all the sides. I'm going to go up, before I do this, I'm going to go over to my effects control so I can see my effects. Now I'm going to grab this by the middle, by this middle grip. I'm going to drag it to the left. Alright, and drag it to the left. And it was at 266 for the vertical. I'm just going to drag this over to about here. And you can see over here they have these numbers. Alright, so I'm going to come in here and say that was really 266. I did move it down a tad. Did I? Thought I did. Maybe it was, I'll go 260. Oh, maybe I didn't move it, but I'll go 250 here. Alright, and let's just put a number in like negative, way far to the left, negative 1600. Aha! Notice how it moves way over. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and turn on this effect for position. So I'm turning it on so it's blue. Now it's active. Now I get my playhead where I want it to be. Alright, so I'll put it at the very beginning of this clip. I'm going to go up and add a keyframe. Alright, so I'm going to add a keyframe right there. Now, and is it in there? I think it's in there. There it is. Missed it apparently. Now I want to come over here, drag this over to about the middle of this, and I'm going to add another keyframe. You see it added a keyframe here. I'm going to change this value to say 0. Now I'm going to slide this over to the end, and I'm going to hit a keyframe, add a new keyframe. I'm going to make this go back towards the left. So I'm going to call this, say, maybe negative 500. Okay. And now, what I want to do is I want to come back here, move the playhead back, and let's go and watch this. And right now I'm going to render because I just want to make sure that you see the full effects of it, because you notice I was red up here. That means that it's not going to do so well when we do the playback, but now we'll do the playback. And I'm coming along on my image, and then I hit the clip, and notice how it comes in from left to right. I get about halfway or thereabouts, and it starts moving back the other direction towards the left. So I'm moving the position of that, and now I'm on to the next clip, which is not affected by our position animating of the motion. So here we went up to motion into our position, and we added 2 keyframes. All right, so you can see we had a keyframe here to start it, keyframe to change it, and a keyframe to finish it here. So from here I moved the clip from left to right, and from over here I moved it from right to left. And this is animating the motion using the position effect.